All right, so everybody's doing toolbox exposures. So I figured I'd start with the one at home. This is a roll cart by the door, wrench. Some are fucking missing. Who knows where they're at? Sockets, 1/4" 10's gone. 3/8 10's there. Couple pliers up top. Pliers drawer. Nut stuck in socket. Little bolt bin basically. Trash. New T-handles I got for help with the bikes. Panel popper kit. Screwdrivers, screwdriver box. And then random drive tools. Roll wrench pack. Battery charger, pressure washer. Power tools sitting up on the drawer, chargers. Then we got the back box. Standard 1/2" sockets, spark plug socket, random set of snap ring pliers, weird husky wrenches and an organizer, standard wobble sockets, random driver doodads, plier drawer down here, coilover adjusters, chisels, random metric wrenches. I want to get an organizer for this. Random standard wrenches. Again, need an organizer for this. All the extra socket sets. The main to-go socket set. Kind of like a, problem box. Power probe, soldering gun, timing light, filler, compression gauge, 12-point sockets, 12-point axle nut sockets, rivet gun, heat gun, little torch setup. And over here I have all my fluids, jump box, scan tool, like bike service stuff, little battery charger, motorcycle lift. That's the shop. That's the home one. Checking with y'all probably within the next couple days, show you the toolbox.